Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so if your PSD files are showing a white blank icon in Windows, don't worry. This is actually a very common issue. Most of the time, this happens when you have multiple versions of Adobe Photoshop installed on your system. Windows gets confused about which version should open the PSD file, and that's why the icon breaks. But the fix is super simple. First, we're going to set the correct default app. Just right-click on any PSD file. Click Open With, then choose another app. Now select your main Photoshop version from the list. And make sure to select Always use this app to open .psd files. And that's it. In most cases, this will instantly fix the white icon problem. But if the icon is still not showing correctly, don't worry, we have one more fix. This means your Windows icon cache might be corrupted, and we just need to rebuild it. Open Command Prompt as administrator, and type these commands one by one. First, taskgil/f/imexplorer.exe. Then, cd/d%userprofile%\appdata\local. Next, del iconcache.db/a. And finally, startexplorer.exe. After running these commands, your system will rebuild the icon cache, and your PSD icons should return back to normal. So yeah, in most cases, it's just a default app issue caused by multiple Photoshop versions, and if not, rebuilding the icon cache will fix it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and powerful tech tutorials.